On this video, I want us to look at your chord inversions, right? So these are very important. You might have been playing in the key of F sharp for a long time, and you probably have been using these chord inversions, not knowing that these are chord inversions, right? So when you know them, your skill even improves because now, as they say, knowledge is power. So the more you know about these things, the better. So in its simplest, explanation, chord inversions, I would say that, it's pretty much like playing the same key but differently, but it's still the same key, right? So we're gonna look at those. So if like you haven't checked my video where I show you, the scale of F sharp 1 up to 7, you wanna make sure that you check that first before you watch this video, because you wanna make sure that first you know your 1 up to 7. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So on this video, we're gonna be looking at the inversions of these chords, right? All right, cool. First, let's look at the inversion of 1, right? This is your 1, right? So your first inversion of 1 is gonna be this one, right? Second one is gonna be this one, right? And then you'll see that with some of the songs, right, your song might start here, might start on the second inversion of 1, or maybe might start here, or maybe might start here, right? Most songs they end here, right? So this is the same, it's still 1, right? This is the inversion of 1, right? Let's do it again slowly. So the first inversion, second inversion, right? Still here, still in 1, and then your second one is this one, right? Yes, this one. So root note, your first inversion, your second inversion, right? Let's do it again for the last time slowly. Your root note, first inversion, second inversion, right? Now let's look at the inversions of 3. So root note, second inversion, right? It's your first inversion, the second one, okay, this one, sorry, not this one, this one. Okay, the root note, your first inversion, the second one, right? And then let's move to 4, the root note, your first inversion, your third inversion, right? Root note, first inversion, second inversion, right? And then now we look at 5. So with 3, right, I'm noticing something here. I think I might have made a mistake. Let me see this one. So is this one. Wait. Yes, that's the one for 3. So it's not this one, it's this one. It's this one, yeah. And then now we get to 5. Okay, the root note, first inversion, yes, second inversion, right? Again, the root note, first inversion, second inversion, right? Now let's move on to 6, the root note, the first inversion, the second inversion, right? Right. So most of us have been, probably been using this second inversion a lot, especially when you're playing a songs like "We Give You," right? We go now, glory, right? We've been using this a lot, right? So the root note, first inversion, third inversion, right? The inversion for number 7, the root chord is this one, the root chord, and then the first inversion is this one. Second one is this, straight again, the root chord, first inversion, and then the second inversion, right? Let's do all the inversions again, all of them. So 1, 2, 3, right, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Alright, I hope this helps. So with these inversions, right, you can like literally with every song that you're playing, instead of using a second inversion of one, can use the first inversion. It doesn't matter. It depends. It's gonna depend on the melody of the song. So yeah, you can use any of the inversions whenever you're playing a song. But this is definitely gonna make a huge difference on your playing. All right, cool.